Good morning traders, and welcome to another live Forex video training update. In this morning's video we'll be looking at the Euro Japanese yen. I'm starting off on the daily time frame. The purpose of today's video will be to consider the area here in October 2021, which is tagged again here on the 10th of February 2022, and price as it comes back down to reach this area, because what I'd like to do is put a long trade. Going to take a long position in the market, but obviously this will be a limit order because price has not reached the level yet. I want to get long at the limit order price, and the check sign I'm going to actually put up on the recent highs, just underneath the recent highs here, with the stop loss is going to be underneath this recent swing highs, part of the support area. So just going to run through this trade again. Price has topped out here. We're tracking back down towards the area of support here. Support back in October 2021 and February 2022. The long order is going in as a limit order. The stop will be underneath this these areas of support, and the target will be back at the top here at 135.40, which represents the area where price has just reached, having had a multi-month, in fact a multi-year breakout. In fact, as you can see, it's a multi-year breakout. We're breaking out above the 2018 highs. So I think this one is still good for a long side trade, but we're just a little bit overstretched at the moment, and should envisage that price will just drop back down onto that level there. So that was the trading idea for this morning. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for listening, and look forward to speaking to you on the next live Forex video training update.